For your third video, I have two examples to demonstrate. What's going to be difficult about the homework is trying to figure out if you need to use the product rule, a derivative of a trig rule, a quotient rule, or maybe possibly both at the same time. For this one, y equals 2 sine x minus 5 cosine x. Yes, I could say 2 times sine of x, and I could say minus 5 times cosine x. But since the first part is 2 times, it's a coefficient, I'm not going to use the product rule. Instead, I just bring down the coefficient, and now what is the derivative of sine? Now I'm going to bring down the minus 5. What is the derivative of cosine? Negative sine of x. That's it for calculus. I'm going to clean up a negative times a negative, so I have 2 cosine x plus 5 sine of x. That's the derivative. Pause that, rewatch it if you need to. Example 2, a little bit more challenging. I'm going to use the power rule here. What's the derivative of 5x? And then minus x squared sine of x. This first part I will use the power rule. The second part I am going to use the product rule because this is x squared times sine x. So for the first part, derivative is 5. Now I'm going to come over here. I'm not going to bring that minus sign down because I'm going to let u be negative x squared. So it's kind of like I'm changing this to plus a negative x squared there. I think it's easier, less mistakes are made. V is going to be sine of x. U prime is negative 2x. V prime is cosine x. Remember how we u prime v plus v prime u. So I'm going to write plus negative 2x times sine x plus a negative x squared times cosine x. Remember, you just come over to the side and you cross and you multiply. U prime v plus v prime u. If I were to clean this up, I can make it 5 minus 2x sine x minus x squared cosine x. Please use your class time now to work on 3.4 and 3.5. Together, check your answers.